Hi, and welcome to another Microsoft 365 Message Center update with me, Mark Stokes. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Teams and a new Share to Teams from Outlook feature. Let's bring up the Message Center item. So Microsoft are updating the Share to Teams capability in Outlook for Windows, Outlook on the web, and Outlook for Mac Preview. The feature is not yet available for Outlook Mobile. So this is going to happen through mid-March through to late March 2021 for the rollout, so quite a short rollout period, and this is going to come down to all users and basically the Outlook client here. So if looking through how will this affect your organization, so the Share to Teams from Outlook enables users to share an email conversation from Outlook, including attachments to any chat or channel in any Teams client. So when a user is sharing an email from the Outlook desktop client or Outlook on the web, Share to Teams and Outlook will either launch a window in the Teams desktop client if it is installed, or open a window within Outlook. Within Teams, recipients will see a preview of the email message which they can open to view the full contents by clicking the preview. The Share to Teams experience that opens in a Teams desktop app window will be available for Outlook in the monthly channel in March. And the Share to Teams from Outlook creates a copy of the email and any attachments, and copies are stored in the email messages subfolder within SharePoint for channels. Copies are stored in the sender's OneDrive for chats, and Share to Teams does not support individual rights managed and do not forward emails. So what do you need to do to prepare? Share to Teams leverages an Outlook add-in to drive it, as this will be installed the first time a user uses the Teams web or desktop client after the capability has been rolled out. And you can manage the Share to Teams by selectively enabling or disabling the add-in for individual users via a PowerShell commandlet. An admin documentation will be published soon. Important to note there. So this is being rolled out as an Outlook add-in. So you have the ability to actually disable that add-in if you don't want people to be able to do it. Important factor there is that email will be copied into the Teams channel as well. So a bit like in Dynamics CRM, it gets copied into CRM, so you have a duplicate copy. So if the user deletes it from their Outlook, it won't be removed from the Teams channel they have shared it to. I can think of a few instances where this will be useful, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing this one come in. Okay, thank you very much for today, and I shall see you soon.